Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. So finally I have reached Maldives and my favorite hotel Ritz-Carlton, which is one of the most expensive and most beautiful hotel in the entire world. So today I will be giving you the show round of my villa, which is Sunset Beach Private Beach Villa. Before I enter, I would like to draw your attention towards this white sand, which is increasing the beauty of my villa. And these bicycles, which are called bikes, are provided only in the luxurious villas. So I am lucky enough to have these with me. I will be taking the round of this property using these bicycles, and you can see the number of my villa also is written here, 135. So let's get inside. So as soon as we get inside, we get to see this beautiful decor, which is amazing to look at. And this huge living room, which was waiting for me to come and get surprised. So when I entered, I found all these amenities which hotel has kept for me to welcome me. These are some chocolates, some canopies, fresh fruits, and a bottle of champagne. With the glasses to enjoy. Here I would like to show you that they have kept the wristbands, and these are not just simply wristbands, these are the keys to unlock my villa. If I am out using this wristband, I can unlock. I don't need any key for it. So I am wearing it. With this, here we have some snacks, coffee making machine, and kettle, and this sink. Here also you will see that there is a variety of liquors available. Whichever we want, we can use. Now inside this minibar also, you will get to see that a variety of soft drinks and beers and liquor is available with the chocolates here. And if you come to this side, you will be surprised to see the view of the beach. It is really mesmerizing. So with this, we have reached the sit-out area. This is the dance space where we can comfortably sit and watch the television. Is it nice? Beautiful? I am loving the white touch everywhere. So now, here is the headphone as well for me to use. I will enjoy it. So now I'll take you to my bedroom. Here is the bedroom. Which is beautiful and great. On the right hand side, there is a sit out area where I can comfortably sit and read some book or use my mobile. Here I can sit and have the morning tea at the same time, watching the seashore as well. The view is ultimate from all the sides. The bed is so amazing and comfortable. Yes, I told you white. White attracts me the most. So this is the reason I am loving the bed more. This is the new thing which I have found never, but here only in Ritz-Carlton, the bathtub in the bedroom. So this is a new thing. Definitely people must be enjoying. I have never experienced it. This is the first time I will experience. With this, we have reached the walk-in closet, where we have stacked the luggage. Now here is the wash basin for him and her, fully laced with the amenities. And The amenities are of Bamford everywhere. So you can see the bathrobe of Ritz-Carlton. Here is the WC. You can see the life jackets here. This is the beach bag for me to use when I am going to the beach. And these are the hats for him and her. Yes, definitely slippers are there to be used. Now this is the shower cabin. And here also you will see the amenities of Bamford only. There is one more nice surprise here. From here we can quickly get out and reach the open air shower. So this is the area we can quickly have the shower after coming out, after coming from the beach. So from here also directly we reach to the beach. With this, we'll again get inside the room, the washroom first, and then from here also we can come out to the bedroom. And the living room again. This is a 2-bedroom villa. So the other one is a twin bedroom villa, which I am going to show you now. So this is the twin bedroom. Great place for the kids to enjoy. These beds are really very welcoming and the view is amazing. The beautiful view really matters when you get up early in the morning and directly you are able to see the nature just in front of your eyes, which is never found in the cities and the other places. So this is what makes these villas so important. People love to stay here because they feel and enjoy the closeness with the nature. So from here we'll reach the walk-in closet. So this is the walk-in closet. We have already stacked the luggage here. Here is the shower cabin. And again we can see all the amenities. And here is the WC. In this room also they have kept the life jackets, beach bag and the hats to be used with the slippers. Definitely there is a yoga mat as well for the people who are willing to have yoga on the beach in the morning or evening. Now I am taking you to the most desirable place. And which one is that? Yes, that is the beach. So first of all I'll take you to the private pool, which is really amazing. So this is the private pool where we can get inside with full privacy, no disturbance at all. So here's the couch. This is the sitting arrangement where we can sit and enjoy in the evening, in the late nights. These are the sunbeds to sit and enjoy. for sun basking, especially in the winter season. And these white sands are really so amazing, so great to look at. Here are also few sunbeds where we can comfortably lie down and enjoy the nature. And the best part of this sunset villa is that you need not to go anywhere else to enjoy the sunset. Just lying here only, or sitting or enjoying in the pool, you can have the view of the sunset. So that is the reason the name of this villa is Sunset Villa. So right now it is afternoon, so in the evening you will get to see. Don't you find it to be so amazing, so wonderful to be here? And the nature is coming closer to you. Just look at this water. It is so beautiful. I'm just feeling like taking my shoes off and going to the water. I can sit there and get my pictures clicked. Do you like that spot? I have pointed it out. I am going there only in the evening. So this is my private beach where I can come any time of the day, in the morning or in the evening. And only I can come because this beach is for this villa only. So this is the speciality why people love to come here, because they get a lot of privacy. So what do you think? Just sitting here and spending some time with the family members, is it really great? Yes. Family comes together when we spend time together, when we enjoy holidays together. So these are the places for bringing the family together. So I think you like the villa. Definitely it is one of the best one. So everybody would love to come here. And what do you think? How much should be the tariff? First of all, I must tell you it's a Marriott property and I am an Ambassador Elite member, so I have got the upgrade. If you get to know the tariff is really surprising, really unbelievable. It is $15,000 per night. Yes, 15,000 American dollars. But I have already shared with you that sometimes I pay by money and sometimes I pay by points. So this time I have paid by points. I have paid 5 lakh points for the stay of 5 nights. And how to earn these points, this I am going to share with you. There is a Marriott Bonvoy through which you can earn the points, and then American Express credit card. That is the wonderful way. Using that credit card, you can earn like countless points, and you can reach here easily. You can come, enjoy your free stay. Even I have used the same way. So if I can earn the points using that American Express credit card, you can also earn the same way. I will tell you how to earn these points. What are the ways? So if you want to know that you also want to come here and how to earn the points in lakhs, I will share the trick with you. I'll share how to use it, how to get so many points, and then you can enjoy your free stays in any of the Marriott property whether it is in India or across the world. So keep watching, keep liking, subscribing, sharing with your friends, plan the trip with your friends, earn the points together, come together and enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.